So we start off today's video with this mid-length to pixie hair transformation. Now this is absolutely stunning. I love the choppy texture that she has with this. Absolutely gorgeous, and a lot of styling options with that look as well. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more amazing hair transformations. So here we have another gorgeous pixie hair change. Beautiful bangs to help frame out the face. Absolutely stunning. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have yet another hair transformation from that same stylist. Now her hair is a bit on the thinner side. We're going to see what he ends up doing for this one. Ooh, wow, beautiful tousled bob. Loving the color with this as well. Wow, she looks breathtaking. Absolutely amazing hair change. And then once again, we have another look from that same stylist. And she also ended up getting a beautiful shoulder length bob style. Amazing. I love how much thicker their hair appears to look after their haircuts. Just a great example of how having shorter hair can sometimes look so much healthier than long. So here we have someone, she has really long hair. I'd say about mid-back length or so. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut. Wow, gorgeous classic chic bob style. Beautifully done. And she does have a nice middle part with this one. Such a classic. So we move right along to the next transformation. This looks to me like she's getting a 90s inspired pixie cut. Oh, very nice. Love the blonde hair color as well. So bright and beautiful. This pixie also features a lot of movement. You can play around with the placement of the bangs, going more with the bow shape or sweeping it over to the side. Very nice transformation. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.